Hello guys, welcome back to my how to channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create unlimited Gmail account. First of all, you need to open google.com. You have to search for Gmail generator and then tap on search here, Gmail generator. So you have to open this site. Make sure to open correct site, tap on the side and you will land here. At the top, you will see sign in. So you have to tap on the sign in tab and tap on sign in with Google and have to select the existing Gmail account. Tap on continue and you'll be logged into this site. Now you have to go to previous page and here you have to remove this generator and you have to add your Gmail account that you are logged in. Tap on generate and here you can see with one click a lot of Gmail accounts are created without phone number and without any recovery email. You can copy all these emails. You can either save these emails to your Gmail inbox or somewhere else. So now we are going to test the email. We'll copy any email, we'll open Facebook and we'll paste the email address here to show you the proof that these emails are working, and you have to fill up this information tab on sign up. Now it will send the code to the email. Now here you have to keep one thing in your mind, that all emails inbox will be your primary email. So every email code, each and every information you will receive to your primary email right now, you can see we have received the code. We'll open this code and we'll copy the code and we'll paste here. And you can see the account is created in the same way. And you can create any account, Twitter, Instagram, or social account with all this email. Now the question that where is the inbox and what are the passwords for this email? So you have to keep one thing in your mind. That's the primary email will be your primary inbox. The password will be the same for all the accounts. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my how to channel.